Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your Microsoft Teams password. For that, just go and open your app, and as you can see there is already an account, but if you'll tap there you'll be logged in. So just tap on use another account and enter your email address or your phone number and tap on this next button. It will ask you to enter your password. Before that you need to, and in this section you will get to enter your password, but they are sending me a code to enter because I signed in using my Gmail. So when they ask you to enter your password, just tap on forgot password. That should be in this area. Just tap on that and it will send you a reset, and then it will send you a verification code on your Gmail, just like this, and you need to go and check your Gmail. Just enter that over here and tap on reset password, but in my case there is sign in button. Enter that reset password and they will let you reset your password, into your new password and enter your new and re-enter your new password and tap on continue button, and that is how you can reset your Microsoft Teams password. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.